This is one of my favorite agricultural activity called as Mediterranean agriculture. I hope you all know which is the Mediterranean region. Near Africa, between Europe and Africa, this is Mediterranean Sea, the blue sea is Mediterranean Sea, and this kind of farming is done in Mediterranean region like all around Europe in this side and towards north of Africa. So that is how it is called as Mediterranean agriculture. Now what is specialized thing about Mediterranean agriculture? It is done around Mediterranean Sea and all the places in the world where similar kind of climate is there. So Mediterranean Sea, Chile, Southwest Africa, Southwest Australia, California are the areas where the climate is similar to Mediterranean climate. What is special about Mediterranean climate? The special thing about Mediterranean climate is it has rainfall in winter season. So all those crops which grow in winter season, like if you remember in India, winter season, we have grapes, we have oranges. So all citrus fruits come in winter season. So all the citrus fruits are grown here. It is highly specialized commercial agriculture. That means nothing is grown for self-use. It is all for sale. Then it supplies citrus fruits. So please remember, winter rains means citrus fruits. Uh, Here viticulture is practiced. Viticulture is growth of grapes. So when grapes are grown on large scale on vineyards and all, it's called as viticulture. Vineyards are the areas where grape farming is done and grape wine is produced. Best quality of wine is produced in this area. It also has the poor quality of grapes are used for making raisins and currants, which are used for a lot of kind of cakes and all. Olives and figs are also grown in this area. And it also, this is a olive farm. You can see this is olive farm and a very large scale farm. This is olive, black olive and green olives both are there. So this is done basically in large areas of Mediterranean region, especially in Europe. Countries like Spain, Italy, Portugal, Morocco, these all are the countries where it is done. Next type of farming is called as market gardening and horticulture. You know, nowadays we need a lot of crops in our kitchen, which are very sophisticated and market crops like broccoli, mushrooms. Such kind of crops are very much in demand as because they have a lot of health benefits. So this is how market gardening and horticulture came into existence. Earlier days, horticulture was not very important, but nowadays it has become very important. When vegetables, fruits, and flowers are grown on large scale, it's called as market gardening. Why it is called as market gardening? Because the product has to reach market immediately, especially the urban areas. So such kind of products are more in demand in urban areas, in cities, not in the rural areas. The farms are those smalls in size, but they make a lot of production and they generally are located near urban areas. It needs good transport because you see, if you have used mushroom, within a day mushrooms get spoiled if we don't make it reach quickly to the house. So from farm to the house, it should come with a truck hour's distance. That is, overnight a truck should be able to bring the material to your home, otherwise it will get spoiled. It needs irrigation. It is labor intensive. It needs irrigation, HYV seeds, fertilizers. It is also done on greenhouses like this, and also artificial heating is used in some areas. It is done on northwestern Europe, northeastern USA and Mediterranean region, and India also. It is done around cities of Delhi and Mumbai. Netherlands is famous for tulips like you can see here, which is growth of flowers. Growth of flowers have also become very important nowadays because of hospitality industries, hotels and all. Flowers are required for decoration. What is truck farming? The definition can come. The regions where vegetables are grown and can reach a house or market from the field overnight in a truck is called as truck farming. So I'll explain again. If this is a field and from here the crop is produced and it is taken out, and this is Delhi. So the material should reach Delhi overnight through the truck. That is called as truck farming. That means the field should not be very far from city. Okay, so this is called as truck farming. A connecting road is required with less traffic jam. Factory farming. What is factory farming? Factory, is a place where something is grown on a large scale. Farming is agriculture. So how factory and farming are combined? When agriculture is done in this large scale that it looks like a factory, it's called as factory farming, but actually it is farming. Why it is farming? Because we are not producing anything, we are still rearing, we are still growing something. So when something is grown, reproduced, reared on a piece of land, it is still farming. So this is farming. Poultry farming is farming. Getting eggs in the farm is farming. Rearing pigs for meat product is also farming. But it is done in a factory like setup. Like here you can see it is a factory setup. There is no soil here. There is no fertilizers used here. So it is factory. But it is farming because something is reared here. That's why it's called as factory farming. So factory farming is becoming very popular nowadays, especially in northwestern part of Europe, because poultry products like eggs, chicken, meat have become very popular and it is in great demand. It is done mainly for poultry farming and livestock rearing. Livestock here is any animal which is reared for milk meat purposes is called as livestock. Animals are fed on factory fodder. That means the products are not actually coming directly from the field, but they are processed in the factories and then they are given fodder like this to eat for them, like this or like this. Then there is heavy capital investment. You can see there is so much of machinery involved everywhere. Then there are doctors, veterinary services. There is heating and lighting system in this whole area. There's a heating and lighting proper system is provided. Breed selection, which kind of pig is to be bred, which kind of chicken is to be bred is taken care. Scientific breeding is done so that they have good quality of meat products and also of eggs.